Hi, I'm Michael with OrthoPro, and today I'd like to give you a glimpse at some of the newer technologies that we employ in our office. This particular device is called the Extremity, and it is a form that we can use to pull a thermoplastic socket over a model and create the prosthesis in a relatively short period of time. The way that these work is generally we can use a roll-on liner, and that rolls onto the residual limb, typically a below-the-knee prosthesis, and it can have either a pin that goes here or it can be a vacuum or suction type of socket. The patient then pushes their leg into this socket, and this one has a push button release, so the pin clicks into the shuttle lock down at the bottom, and that will hold the leg on. And then when it's time to remove the leg, you just push the push button and it releases the pin and the patient can get out of the socket. The great thing about this kind of a socket is the way that we make it, we heat it in a special oven and pull it over the model, but then it can be adjusted multiple times afterward if need be, in order to improve the fit while the patient's wearing it. Or if they happen to have a change in their fit and we need to tighten things up, we can push in on it a little bit. If we need to expand in a particular area, we can push it out and make those adjustments so that it remains comfortable and viable for longer term use. If you would like to stay up to date on the latest technologies regarding prosthetics and orthotic devices, please subscribe to our channel.